So this might be useful, particularly as you start, for those of you that are going into computer engineering, remaining familiar with hex and octal, particularly hex notations is going to be important. Okay. Actually, now that I think about it, well, everybody has to take micro one. Okay, so in micro one, the hex notation is very important, as you will see sometime in the next semester, or next 2 semesters when you take micro one. Okay, to something else. Okay, so that's going to flag an error right away. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop right here. There's like a few more constants that we're going to discuss later on, but for now, I think we'll stop right here. So again, to reiterate, we will have our first exam. Okay, our first exam. Actually, you're looking at me backwards, right? I'm floating. So we have our first exam on Thursday. Okay. Let me look it up. Thursday, February 25th, 2010. Again, the topics will be elements of program. So invalid constants. Okay. Let me put some examples. We have, for instance, 1000,842, and this is very tempting because a lot of programs in in Excel, like Excel or others, allow you to use commas, right? Let me see. Okay, for instance, 01943. What is wrong with this? Octal, right? But we have a 9, right? So it's not valid. Okay. We can have something like U109. Again, U cannot be used out front. Okay, it has to be used at the end. Let me see. I think. Oh, yeah. This is a very common problem. Sorry. I have a big list. I'm trying to pick the ones that are more like significant. Okay. So here U needs to be moved. So the order is important. The following. Let me move over here. 0x space. Okay. A, F, F, F. So let's say this is a space. This is invalid. There cannot be spaces between the X and the number, because then you don't know anymore whether it is a hex constant or you were trying to do something else. Okay, so that's going to flag an error right away. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop right here. There's like a few more constants that we're going to discuss later on, but for now, I think we'll stop right here. So again, to reiterate, we will have our first exam. Okay, our first exam. Actually, you're looking at me backwards, right? I'm floating. So we have our first exam on Thursday. Okay. Let me bring it up. Thursday, February 25th, 2010. Again, the topics will be elements of programming, program design with flowcharts, writing basic MATLAB program functions, C language tokens, and C language identifiers. Okay, so my office hours will be on Wednesday. I will announce more office hours, but it's 1:30 to actually Wednesday. I don't have office hours, so I'm going to set some office hours. Let's say from 1:30 on. I'll send a message. Okay. So since I'm out of town, so I'll try to catch up on office hours in general starting Wednesday. Okay. So okay, that's it. So I'll see you on Thursday, and I hope you study hard. Okay. Thank you.